Hi, this is Irina Shea, and this is part of our Wealth and Wisdom video series. Today, we're going to talk about how do I leave behind my funeral wishes? So, I'm going to share my screen with some thoughts. So, first of all, this is a topic no one really wants to talk about, least of all your adult children, and yet it could be come at a time of shock, crisis, and grief. So, our belief is it's best to leave your instructions in advance in a simple one-page set of instructions. So, the question is, what should it include? First of all, in the state of New Jersey, your executor is in charge of your funeral arrangements unless you have named a separate funeral agent. Most families, the spouse takes care of it or the adult children. Okay, so who is in charge? It is executor, next of kin, etc. For solo seniors, who we see more and more, they don't necessarily have next of kin. They often may want to appoint. Solo seniors should appoint a formal funeral agent on the New Jersey state form. That state form you can find on Google and or through a funeral home, but it's really important that you have someone authorized to make those arrangements for you. So in our office, we use a one-page funeral wishes template that clients can fill out on their own. And we cover things like do I wish to be cremated or buried? That's a threshold question. Not a lot of people know quite yet, but cremation's not reversible. So the funeral homes will get very sticky if they don't get clear authorization on cremation. So if you do want to be cremated, you need to say so. And also, if you're cremated, where to scatter ashes, your favorite place, a mountain range, it can't be in public places or private property. There's limitations. A lot of people want ocean, body of water. There's a lot of rules around it. I invite you to ChatGPT it. But let someone know where to scatter the ashes, okay? And if you prefer a burial or buried where. So if you have a family plot, next to spouse, things like that. Detail that out and leave the plot information with these instructions for your adult children to know what to do and where to go. Okay. Um, if you're being buried, what to wear. I know this sounds strange, but the funeral director is going to ask your family, what do you want them wearing? Go home, pick out their favorite outfit. It is a very strange conversation. It is best if you just say my favorite blue suit or my pajamas or whatever you're going to say. Let your family know. Okay. Also, who to notify? Nowadays, for the most part, funeral homes have lovely online tributes to the family member who passed with details of services. But, if you need to notify your parent or grandparents' social circle, who you may or may not know, it's good if they leave behind who that is. Is it their bridge group, their mahjong group? Is it their pickleball group? Is it their veterans group? I don't know. Whoever it is, it helps to leave a list. It's almost like an old school phone chain, right? So people know and can pay respects. Okay. Um, Okay, services. Some people are religious, some people are not. If you want no service, keeping it simple, or if you want some sort of mass, repast, or Jewish or other type of traditional service, say so. Okay. So if there's a priest, pastor, rabbi, church, temple, don't make them guess. Just say who you want. You don't have to prearrange it. Just say who to go talk to make those arrangements. Um, if you want more and more, people are opting for what we call a celebration of life, simple in the home with photos and a light, sort of um, meal. It's a sort of an upbeat version of passing, right? Where people say, share good stories, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. And then flowers, of course. Do you want to name charities in lieu of flowers to the, Animal Rescue Society, et cetera, whatever it may be? Say so on this memo. So all this can be contained in one page. You can certainly write it yourself. We use a template because I think it's hard for people to stare at a blank piece of paper. And if you are a solo senior without your own spouse and children, highly recommend the New Jersey State form. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful. And if you'd like to learn more, just go to our website at irinashea.com, click the Get Started tab, and our initial consultations are free. Thanks.